Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we have covered our sharing bridge and its modification of low voltage sharing bridge as a part of measurement of capacitance. Here, it's a second part of sharing bridge, which is high voltage sharing bridge. This is mostly used for bridge circuits available for measurement of capacitance, dielectric loss of capacitor, and power factor of cables. It is generally used for both precision measurement of capacitor at low voltages and for study of insulation and insulating structures at high voltages. This is a bridge, AC bridge for high voltage sharing bridge. This CS and RS is as common as in our low voltage sharing bridge. Here C3 is a standard capacitor, C4 is a variable capacitor, R2 and R4 can be varied for bridge balance. Here in parallel with an AC source we have our frequency meter and the supply is given through a HV transformer. For protecting this AC bridge we have earthed at this point, and this shaded line is a electrostatic shielding done for the removal of the effect of stray capacitance. This bridge is also used for the capacitance and dissipation factor for insulation and in determining the general properties of a condenser, bushing, insulating oil and other insulating material, which is in case have very small capacitance. Certain modifications have been made in a sharing bridge to operate at high voltage, which are as follows. In this case of high voltage, supply is obtained from a transformer, usually at power frequency, and a detector is used is vibrational galvanometer. Basically, here the detector is of special type, like it's a of high sensitivity. Coming to the other specification of this bridge, this sharing bridge is advantageous for high voltages test due to the fact that the arm AB and AD have capacitors only, which can be specially constructed for high voltage work. Also, these two arms will have high impedance at power frequency in comparison with that of other arm BC and CD. The major portion of the source potential difference exists across the arm AB and AD. The potential difference across arm BC and CD, which remains in control and is very of small quantity. In order for the safety measure to the operator, the high voltage hazards while carrying the out of control, the junction C is earthed, as we already discussed it. The arrangement is ideal for the point of view of safety, but it is much less sensitive than its conjugate with source and detector. Now, in order to prevent the dangerous rise of voltage across these arms, in case of breakdown of either of the high voltage capacitor, a spark is connected across each arm BC and CD. The impedance of arm AB and AD are high, so current from the source is less. The arrangement is ideal from the point of view of power consumption, and but it is of much less sensitivity. So like sensitivity detectors are used in place of normal detectors we have used in our previous AC bridges. In operating our sharing bridge at high voltages mm, or our low voltage sharing bridge, it is extremely important that the effect of stray capacitance between the bridge will be eliminated. So for this we have done electrostatic field shielding, and by maintaining these shield at a suitable potentials, we have discussed that the dotted lines represented the electrostatic shield. Such shield bridge suitable for high voltage operation as shown in our figure. Earth capacitance effect of the galvanometer and the leads are eliminated by using Wagner's earth device. This is the device we will learn in our next lectures. The capacitor C3 of fixed value is used, which has normally on or compressed gas as dielectric. The dissipation factor with dry and clean gas is practically zero, but loss in the insulating support can not be avoided. However, such losses can be prevented from influencing the measurement by the use of guard rings, from which both the high and low voltage electrodes are supported. So the current through the high voltage supports pass directly to the earth, and as a potential difference between the low voltage electrode and the guard ring will be small. The insulation of low voltage electrode has only very small effect of this. In case the solid dielectric standard capacitor is used, then the losses must be accurately known for the capacitor. So here we have studied about high voltage sharing bridge. This device is used for the measurement of capacitance in bushing condensers, insulating oil, and other insulating material which are at high voltage. In next lecture we will study about the measurement of mutual inductance as a part of AC bridges. This notes will be provided on our college website. For any query related to this high voltage sharing bridge, you can write me. Till then, continue your lectures. Stay healthy, stay safe.